guy. Okay, I can use it to go. Ponte pa' mí, que desde hace rato tú no tienes gasto, yo te quiero dar así, un mantenimiento.
All right. Tell confirm if the measurement is correct.
Yeah, it's 9/4.
9 in one part.
Yeah. Go.
And then from the corner, 1 inch right. Okay, you got it ready. All right.
Yeah.
7 in what?
7
1/4. Okay, go ahead.
Wait. Son here. Lo siento panda. Ya. Que le estaba haciendo panda. Igual está.
All right.
Yeah, me quedo más.
Yeah, making sure it's lined up. If it's not lined up,
It's lined up, but it's just that I didn't do the
when
you put this,
make another line.
you put it wrong.
No, make another line. No, take it up. 1 inch, 1 inch. Okay, follow that. All right, perfect.
I sure that it's 9. Yeah, it's 9/4. Wait. Hacer un poquito para allá. Siempre hacer un poquito más para allá porque lo estás haciendo atrás de la línea. Ahí.
There you go. That's 7.5. Double check. 7 and 1/4. I mean. Yeah. Is correct?
Yep.
All right. Okay. Put X. There, okay. Make a hole.
Got hammer in it. ¿Viste para bien?
More bigger. Alright, there you go.
Then we gotta cut a hole. Then we gotta cut a circle, right? Yeah.
Okay. Circle. Okay.
¿Lo cortó primero o de un solo se lo llevó?
Llévalo hasta como por aquí y haces como el círculo aquí también. Cuando llegues aquí, haces el círculo. Y haciendo como el círculo para irte alineando. Exacto. Y ahora solo seguir la línea. Para seguir la línea. Oh, yes, sir. Recuerda que no le puedes hacer de un solo hasta abajo. Si no. Y ahí sí le das de un solo y haces como el círculo. Pero tenés que ponerlo en línea, eso, ponerlo en línea y después eso. Cuando ponerlo todo,
Solo
apretarlo y después lo haces. Yo, Oscar.
Okay, try the other ones, the other snip.
Okay.
To make sure you know the difference, okay? Okay. Alright, so that's 90 degrees. There you go. Go ahead. Right on.
Oh, sorry.
¿Qué onda, ven?
A little bit side. A little bit angle like this. Go. have to press hold, and then there we go. Not too much. You'll bring it back a little bit more.
Pero irlo apretando, cuando le vayas haciendo, irlo apretando.
There you
Eso,
go.
exacto. Hay que comer más.
Acordate que la dobla un poquito más como acostada.
Yeah, so you use the two differences, depends on the position, okay? You have more space, use that one. If you don't have enough space, use the other one, okay? The 45 degrees. You know, you don't need to bring that up. All the way. Okay, now you pinch it. Okay, you have at least half inch in. Okay, push it down. Angle that way. Push that way. More. There we go.
I think that is better.
I think the other one's better.
Yeah, exactly.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I think so.
No, go ahead. That's better. Look, I'll do it with my left hand. Okay, show me. Let me show you too. Now,
I can't record this.
here. Okay, look. I'll do it like this, right? Look. If I hold right now, I'm holding right now. Look, I turn. See, that's easy, right? So that's easy. Right? So you use my gloves, huh? Okay. Okay, continue.
Want me to do it for you, Brian? You want to do it?
So, put the 6.5. Yeah, better.
0.5. Come on, Ty. Come on, Ty. Do it fast.
You can take your other glove off.
Put your other gloves. Right here. In front of you.
Yeah, Ty.
Sideways a little bit more. There. Follow the line, side. Okay.
Handle it.
Look at that. That's talent. Huh? Sai has the skills. Can cut straight. Oh, come on. This takes forever. I'm about to sleep now, Sai. Watch out. Bando, back the blade. Back more. There.
No. Sure.
Back a little bit. Making sure all the way to the corner. There, line up.
No.
Here, keep going forward. Just snip it all the way. Too much.
Okay.
Yes,
Making sure you have to go all the way to the corner only so that you're not gonna cut all the way. Okay, just pull this thing out now. That's done. Up and down, up and down. Okay. All right, get ready. Fix everything. And don't leave that piece down there, huh? Anything that you cut, don't drop it in there. Okay, go. Okay. Okay, put that takeoff. Okay, you have to open it first. Make sure it's open right here. Fix it. Push it in.
No tanto, pero solo para que
Okay, so that's the one you're gonna put it in, and then from inside, you're gonna lock it. Okay. All right. Go ahead, Ty, help him. Okay, lock 4 corners first. Okay, I want you guys to make it sure that you're gonna work from inside only. Okay, you don't have this. Okay, you work inside only, and then you don't work on the side. Make it sure inside of the hole only. All right, lock it. Okay, as soon as you lock the 4 corners, 4 sides, make sure everything is tight. That's good. I don't want to see any gap like this. Okay. All right. Anderson, come on, put that phone up.
Pero sabes que en ese lado no soca bien.
Want you guys to make a gap.
Okay, that's good now? Okay, let me see. Okay, I still see the gap here. Okay, so all you need to do is just making sure you push this thing down a little bit and then do it like this. Okay, and then you're gonna put screw here and screw in there, screw here, and then we're gonna put mastic. Okay, we're gonna put mastic here. And that's it. As soon as we're done with the mastic, it's okay. Or you could put tape.
Yeah.
Okay, the foil tape. Where's the foil tape?
I saw that one. Like
Okay.
we can use cooking now.
The what we call the mastic. Using the cooking gun. Okay. So look at this one now, guys. Right? This is stable now. Okay, so this is the mastic. Come here, guys. You see this? This is the one that we use to seal. Okay, we just need to use the caulking gun we got here, and we seal this part after you put screw here. You understand me? You're gonna put screw, but not now. Okay, screw here and then put the mastic on this all the way around.
And then we put.
Okay, and all the way around.
If we use that, do we need to tape after?
And then you don't need to tape, but you know, if you want to put tape, it's okay too. But I like mastic because mastic is for life.
Alright.
It's not gonna go anywhere. Okay, so mastic, if you have mastic, you don't need to put tape. Some of them they put tape. Okay, just to make it sure. Okay, are we clear?
Yeah.
All right, so that's good now. All right, good job, guys. Good job. Okay.